Yo, yo, what up, what up, what up? Alright. What up, gang? What up, TikTok? What up, YouTube? Yeah, mic sorted. I went and thankfully it was just the microphone cord, not the actual microphone. Thank Christ. Two mates looking to join the mentorship. Keep a lookout for Jack and Moof. Oh, sick. All right, W. Awesome, bro. Keen. Let's get him cooking, my dude. Let's get him cooking. All right, you guys, let's have a look here. I haven't really had too much of a look. Just watched a good movie today. Okay. What up, Rome? Grant, what up, brother? Oh, Grant, I might need you to help me with the thumbnail again if you can. Me and Young Static. Me and Young Static thumbnail. Grant, do you think there's any, like, do you have any photos of me or Static that you could put something together with what you've got right? I suppose I could send you a screenshot of the podcast. Yeah, I'll send you a screening of the potty. Oh, look at Kyle here. 1 month into the mentorship, funded. GOAT community, bro. We have a GOAT community. That's definitely for sure. Man, look at this. Do we want to sell gold? I don't really like how it looks in the 15, but the 30 looks okay. The 1 hour looks okay. Because I could also see it kind of just tapping below here, creating a bottom wick and then pushing up to fill this wick. So it's definitely conflicting things right here. There's conflictions. Bluey got a banger movie recommendation? Yo, Big Shib, what up, cousin? Shibosaurus. I don't know what's happening. Can you explain? I mean, brother, we're all trying to figure it out in this world that we live in. We're all just on a journey to try and figure it out. We watched a movie called I Swallow Come. Why? Why? All good. Completely nerfed, bro. How do I fall for this shit, bro? I need to start reading before I read. I need to start reading before I read. This is getting out of control at this point. What up, Liz? No laughing. POV, Tom Aspinall this weekend. Bro, I'm so excited for that. What's NQ doing, you guys? Fucking hell. Static, Ty even lined that that one up as well for Bluey. Because that got me interested. What was I just thinking then? Oh, I think the guys in the mentorship, didn't you guys catch an Asia banger? Trade reviews. Yeah, this was a beautiful setup. Wow. Just realized you're into that, bro. So cooked. Impulse sells. Yeah, very, very nice setup there. Yeah, really nice. Break below the level, support held, 30 closure, continuation. Beautiful. Wow, 200 tick. Did it really like glitch down and hit the take profit quick as? What do you think about Raja Banks? He's gained $1 million this month from his own broker. Right now, I'm getting conflicting stories, so I need to wait. I want to try and get some more clear confirmation of buy or sell signal. $200 ticks in like a minute. Wow, beautiful. I mean, they're the fun trades to be in. Do you trade Raja Banks strategy? I'd say the core foundation of my strategy was developed around Raja Banks. Rochelle Banks. Bit of a conflicting thing here. Yeah, I'd prefer selling as well. Like, my bias would be sell as well. Just need the setup though. So what FVG do you trade? Yeah, I traded, oh man, I traded terribly last night on one of my accounts. I did well on most of my accounts, but one of my accounts was just, yeah, just not a good trading day. It survived, but I did a bit of damage on it. I tried Raja style of trading is good but stressful. Brother, try and find a strategy that's not stressful in some sense, and I'll give you $1 million cents. Do you feel like giving up on your Forex journey? I mean, I don't know about giving up. I just couldn't put myself to giving up because I'd already like decided like I can't, this is my escape. But I definitely went through so many points of just like, man, you're so cooked, like doing dumb shit in the market. But I would always like wake up the next day and just be too keen to get back at it. I could never give up because I knew it was a ticket out. Any good book or podcast to understand risk management better? I mean, there's infinite. It depends what you mean by risk management, because risk management is such a broad statement. Like, is Roger a good trader then? Yeah, he's a really good trader. Risk management is such a broad statement. What up, Zaid? This 4 hour has no bottom wick either. On futures, at least. Trade good for 2 or 3 days and lose it all in one day. Yeah. So that's where I used to do the same. I was speaking about this the other day. I would look at my statistics and it would be like, all good for weeks, and then just one day, it would drop down. All of them. So then you got to identify, like, it's like one thing. It's what it was for me was like taking one loss. I would lose control after one loss. I would try and chase it and fight it. And that's what most traders do, right? You try and fight the loss back, and then it just spirals out of control. And before you know it, you're in a pit of, you've blown your account. So it's like, learning how to manage the loss is what it is for most people. I started winning when I stopped over leveraging small lots. Yeah, less stress, right? Just kind of. Okay, oh, look at this. I logged into my old FTMO account. Dashboard. This is my old FTMO dashboard. Not passed, passed, not passed, not passed, not passed, not passed, not passed. I've been there, brothers. This is when I was trading Forex. Not passed, not passed, not passed, not passed, passed. I've been there, brothers. That's so fucking funny. I guarantee you I could show you exactly what I mean here as well if it shows me the graph. How interesting. All good. Don't want to see them all. Ah, this is hilarious. This is, look at this. Look exactly what I was talking about. Okay, just trading, trading, trading. And then what happened here? Damn, your boy must have fucking took a loss here and then just said, see ya. Isn't that funny? That's exactly what I was just talking about. Yeah, fuck this. I'm exhausted. Boom. And that's what my accounts always used to look like. It'd be like this, and I'd be up there, and then down here, and then and then just one day, nah. See ya. Number of trades. Bro, I took 607 trades in this challenge phase. Hey, bro. What? Yep, your boy broke there. And that's what they all used to look like. Right? So I had to identify what's going on here. And then I realized, oh, you can't take a loss, my G. Do you think Italy is a good country for trade living there? I mean, everywhere is good to trade. Everywhere is good to trade. Have you lost? Never. Day in the life using the Trump boys. Billions and billions of Dubaians everywhere. They all love Trump. We got the most Dubai votes. Nice, Christian. Good to have you here. Yeah, losing's painful. You either quit or get your mind right. That's right. All right, what are we going to do here, you guys? Are we going to sell gold as an impulse below? Doesn't make much sense because I could see it just kind of going to here and then rejecting. And we didn't technically break out of any range just yet. So it'd be kind of a gamble. I'm stuck in 2 sell deals from 4107. I'm sorry to laugh, but it's crazy when you guys say this kind of shit. Bro's stuck in a sell from here. He just keeps dragging his SL up. This is what his order looks like right now. Brother, that was 400 pips ago. I mean, yeah, there's nothing I can really advise. I guess just hold it to all-time high and then I've seen your 3 videos, should I follow you? I mean, yeah, just do whatever your heart desires. I won't tell you what to do, bro. In the early days, do whatever. Yeah, in the early days, you got to be a bit of a whore. Yeah, the guy was in 3,000 pips drawdown yesterday. Broke my trading rules yesterday and punched myself. Yep, get that whip out, son. Whip yourself. I mean, again, it's like you don't really even need to punish yourself when you break your rules. The market will do it for you every time. Every time you'll be punished for breaking your rules. I started trading last year, this time 400k FTMO. W. Been following your setup since January. 83% drawdown. How do I... Oh, wait, so you've had the account... Okay, this is a great question. How do I manage the fear of losing the account? Just lose it. Who cares? Yeah, you've got to just like not give a shit. You really have to not care about losing the account. I mean, you're talking about a fund or a challenge. Even if it's a funded, like, you just got to take the trades, man. You got to just take the trades of your setups and let the probabilities play out. It's all math. It's just mathematical. Just let the probabilities play out. That's all you can do. Tell me what else can you do other than that? I'm assuming you have a profitable system and all you can do is just fucking take the trades and let the probabilities play out. The direction was obvious yesterday. I still got cooked. Yeah, because, you know, we can always pretty easily determine direction. But then how are you going to enter? Where's the safe spot for your stop loss? All that kind of shit is what the difficult part is. Hi, Dan. Timmy took a sell at... Yeah, in terms of using, like, looking to increase your size, just don't force it. Just let it happen naturally. Because if you force it, you're going to stress out throughout the trade and you're going to burn yourself psychologically. You're going to get burned or deaded. I'm already down today, took a L. Do I call it a day or get a new account? I mean, yeah, took a loss. Should I fucking fund a new account? I mean, if you mean you blew your account, maybe you went super heavy and you got to ask yourself, why did I go so heavy today? Like, it's FOMO. I know there's a lot of volatility in the market and people want to capitalize on it. There's a lot of FOMO in the air, but we're just going to treat it like any other day, bro. Just treat it like any other day. Because we could see volume today and be like, oh man, I want to capitalize on it and get a crazy move. But it's like, it's not going anywhere, bro. I promise you the volume's not going anywhere. Like, it might slow down, then it'll pick back up towards the end of the year. And like, even if it doesn't, it's not our job to get like crazy moves. It's just our job to click the button when our setup arises. It's fully all it is. It's fully all it is, man. But if you invest time into the account, it's not the same if you lose or not. Bro, if you invest the time into the account doesn't give a shit about you, bro. It's like you investing time into a hooker. She doesn't care about you, bro. So why are you guys caring about these accounts? Like, you want to get married to it. Just blow it. Top 10 trading advice. Just blow your account. My point is, your accounts don't care about you, bro. So good at following. Yeah, so you know how it is with London, you guys. Actually, I mean, the other day when we did a London stream, as soon as we got off a stream, it was like, I'm pretty sure it was like this big fucking drop here. Or no, it was right here, I think. Like fucking 1,000 pips or something. My point is, like, when I showed you guys that FTMO account just before, and I had 600 trades, I was in that fucking account for like 3 months. In a phase 1 for 3 months, bro. Do you know how psychotic that is? 3 fucking months in a fucking challenge. Sorry, I keep swearing. In a challenge phase. Oh, it's only going to take 4 more months to pass phase 1. Hey, bro, make money. Like, and then when I lose the account, I'm like, oh, there goes a 3-month relationship. I really loved that girl. It's like, nah, bro, these streets are ruthless out here. They don't care about you. You got to just get in, click the button and get on with it. Bro, I hope TradeSharp doesn't watch this live for real. Wait, why? Why do you hope TradeSharp doesn't watch this live for real? Any of penny trading videos? Nah, what's that? Loose. Do you take live trades? Yeah, we run live streams in the mentorship 3 times a day. We run Asia, pre-London, and New York in the mentorship. Anyone that's interested in learning one-on-one with me and the system and strategy we use, here's some of your last chances, man. You go to danielholmestrades.com and you can put your details down for the waitlist. And we're going to like hand select a few traders to work one-on-one and really take you to that trader that you hopefully want to be. Daniel, how to learn trading and blow your funders. You seem like you're AI. I'm not AI. I'm not artificial intelligence. I'm a real human. Just like you, man. Oh, what up, bitch? I hope what Static said to you the other day there, Mitch, helped you a little bit. Because you got to remember, bro, I was speaking to him. I said, man, it'd be worth having a chat to Mitch because he went through that as well. And within like a couple of weeks, got to like a level where it's just like, yeah, things like, that's why I said to you in the message, things can change so quick, bro. Three months on one account is actually impressive. I mean, sort of, but it's also just annoying. Because even back then, it's like to spend that much time in a challenge, it's more like you're playing a game. You're not trying to make money. It's like the game is like, man, I've got to pass this account. Let me just, I don't even know. It's just stupid. That's all I know. Start for that message. Yeah. Ah, it's good, man. Glad to hear. You trade funded or real? Both, but I'll probably just do funded today. I'm a funded boy. Swaggy AI bot. Yeah, come on, gold. Anyone can ask a question? No. Lee. Filled out the waitlist form. Nice. Nah, Christian, the live streams we run the mentorship, you won't see on YouTube at all. I don't know, Abdul, but if you filled out the waitlist, you'll hear from us. Nah, this is Top Step. Why you guys keep saying Shem and Ty crazy? Penny trading together. Can you show us the setup you might have in mind? Honestly, bro, let me show you the setup that I might have in mind. If this candle wants to kind of close like this and the next one break through like that, right? And then the next one retest and then start to push down, I'll have a sell stop sitting right there and then anticipating this to continue down and fill some of this range. It detects your stream wasn't on. I mean, it's just so hard to have a normal stream on TikTok without it glitching. So that's one of the biggest things I'll be looking for. And alternatively, the same above. I'll give you your title, Golden Warrior, Golden Shower. Bro, your AI. Bro! Yeah, from Oz, Adam. I live in Dubai. I moved to Dubai recently, but yeah. Grew up in Beenleigh, the ghetto, and then moved to Brisbane, and now I'm Dubai boy. Dubai boy. Hey, you guys on TikTok, if you type in the chat buy or sell, just pick up your keyboard and just start fucking just do that, because it makes no sense whatsoever to type that. All good, but that's all. No doubt, I'm saying I hope Trades Day don't watch your live because of what you said. Oh yeah, fuck, legit. How's Dubai treating you? Dubai's good. My fucking my zesty couch and some furniture just arrived today. I mean, my shit's looking a bit too zesty. I need to figure something out to make it more or less zesty. All right, so about to get this 30 closure. I mean, nothing happened here so far. Standard London. I could totally see it's just impulse dropping here. Bro, I really need some money. Feels. Why don't you use trend lines? Because then I have to ask, why don't I use fucking SMAs and EMAs and, you know, like. My thing is just read the candles. Just read the candles. That's all you got to do. That's all that you got to do. Shementai, what are you up to? When? Yeah, this is W volume so far, so we'll see. NQ just dipped. I might have an impulse sell order. I don't suggest it if anyone wants to copy me, but I want a top wick though. Yeah, thank you, Shem. fuck was that? Anybody interested in joining the free Discord community we've got here? I'm going to post a link on the YouTube's live stream chat. So you guys on TikTok, if you want to, I'm live on YouTube right now. If you type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, you'll see I'm live and you can join the community. I just posted in Dissy. Daniel Holmes, your new couch needs this, brother. What's your referral code for Top Step? Bang Bang Banana. That's the code. Damn, went 100K day. Yeah, legit. It's coming. Are you married? I want a husband. Post a pic in the Discord and we'll make a decision from there. One thing at a time. How do we join the Mentorship? How much does it cost? You go to danielholmestrades.com and you join a wait list, because I want to go through the wait list and actually pick people individually. So yeah, we have a wait list there for guys that want to work one-on-one. You get access to all the live streams, the full course content about strategy system, and you work one-on-one with me as well. Only for serious traders, not just signal people. What's your broker? Tora Markets. Toza. Billions and trillions. Did you catch any pips from that huge sell-off? Yeah, I've caught a few pips throughout the last couple of days. Niraj, if you bought a 150K account but you don't know like what size to use, you probably should have started with a 25K account. I won't be angry, regret. That's right. Oh shit, jump scare. Didn't see that one fucking coming. Yeah, I'm gonna give this a little stab, we'll see. Nothing crazy in terms of size or anything. Hear about IC markets? Shafted. I seen IC markets was getting investigated for some shit or some shit. Yeah, I seen something like that. Investigation. Yeah, I was kind of anticipating this, see? I'm out. He's the GOAT. He's the fucking GOAT. Y'all doubted him, didn't ya? Did you doubt him? Doubt me now, mum. Doubt me now, mum. Did anyone else take that? Passed another Tradeify account, how to sell order the whole time. Yes, sir. Wait, throw a W in the chat if you genuinely did take that just then. That's so funny. Oh wow, look at all these dubs. You guys really took it as well. I didn't think anyone else was going to do it. I thought you thought I was crazy. But I was onto something. Wolf boy. Wolf bites back. W. But see how like small things like this, you can't train an AI bot to you know know when to take these kind of shits. Yeah, I know. I seen my profits go up in like 250. And I went to click close then, but it bounced back quickly. Too fast for our yes sir. Yeah, she's off. She's off, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, this could just melt to the fucking eternity. I probably should have just gone to intuition trade. Yeah, I probably should have just gone to BE. Thank you, Dan. I mean, don't they say thank you? This isn't a signal channel, but pleasure is mine, I guess. Very nice. I mean, it's good for me. Like, even if you just get like $170, like, let's say I don't get any other setups today. It's good to stack days of over 150 on these accounts because, wow, look at this. This is phenonkers. Are you really still in, Shivy? You are the goat. Shivy's fucking running with it. Runners are still in. Wow. Beautiful. Pass the combine and 50% on another one today. Let's go. Yeah, nice. That was a good trade. Yeah, I've seen like, so this structure, we come down here. I'll show you guys where my mind was at with this. Even though we didn't break below the level, like the weakening and rejecting off this, like the rejecting here and the body's getting smaller. And then the structure on the 30 holding support here with a big, strong 30 closure prior. We didn't have bottom wick here. And there was no bottom wick on the 4 hour either. So the 4 hour is now flipped. I think there was enough in favor for this to be a good play here. Impulse kind of play without it breaking out. Yeah. How many accounts did you? 5 accounts. Yeah, exactly. Also the 4 hour flipping. Got 130 pips. Fuck. W signals on this channel. Wow, that was been a 200 pip drop just there. See what happens if you come to this stream every day, we get W signals. I've been streaming for a year and a half and I've never lost a trade on stream. Daniel was reliable. You guys want to learn this shit, man? Go to danielholmestrades.com. For serious traders only, put your details down and learn one-on-one. I'm going to hold your hand. Have you ever been to a nightclub and you're like, bro, I need a wingman? I'm your wingman in trading. All right, so if you want to pick up some Latinas on the markets, then I'll help you here. Dub 1K on the new combine. Wow, Kyle. Yes, sir. Beautiful work, man. Can I join? My wingman always ends up stealing my goal, bro. You got to get new wingman. That's dogman. That's a dogman you've got there. All right, we'll look for one more setup here. I don't know if we're going to get it, but we'll try. You never trade on stream, bro. Only talk about mentorship. I actually rarely speak about it. I was fucking... Oh, Hugh is? Okay, I'll keep an eye out. W. Sick Jack. Jesus was reliable. No, sir. That's not fair. Why is there an audio delay? Because the time it takes sometimes for like 9 different social media platforms, running through my camera, through an external mic, and then Wi-Fi through Infinity, sometimes can have a slight delay. I know it's inconvenient, but that's just how the world works sometimes. Oh, fuck off, Jack. I just realized. Yes, thank God I'm just fleeing over his name. Is binary trading non-binary? I don't know enough about it. For how many entries per market? It depends. Sometimes none, sometimes one, sometimes two, sometimes three. Most of the time, one. Yeah, what I was going to say with Top Step is if you're trading over multiple accounts like I am, you know, to just bag a few days of like 150 is good, because when you get your payout, like you need some stacked up days. Ugly on the 4 hour. I mean, I'm very suspicious on this level down here. Very suspicious on this level down here. I don't know how it's going to get there, when it's going to get there, but I'm just saying that I'm suspicious on it. Jesus was suspicious. Hello, Daniel. I'm from Indonesia at Bali Island. W, do you know Bali trades? Bali Aaron trades? Sorry, my internet gave an error. What was the answer about the info you give on the site on your waitlist? Wait, what was your question? Love to watch your live train. Love to watch you. Love watching me. So we're gonna see now if the market wants to break above this level for a buy position, I think, or if something else wants to happen here. I'm going to hang out for a little bit longer and see if a setup arises, and if not, we'll just be happy with what we got and don't be greedy. Yeah, you don't want to be greedy, man. Crib's coming along good. I've got like a lot of shit here. I'm just trying to think. It kind of looks... It's just looking a bit zesty. I've got to figure out a way to make it like... It's masculine, but it's kind of borderline. Like 70 pawn shoot kind of masculine. I think it's because the couch. The couch is kind of suede or something. Does your system technique apply to all trade? Yes, it does. But we like to pay attention to gold and NQ because it's got like high volatility. Like, so see what happened here, how we had a sell stop sitting there and then impulsively pushed. A lot of the times when we get our setups, we kind of capitalize on that kind of, it's almost like there's a lot of fucking pressure there, like a lot of buyers and sellers, and it either pops or it fails. So it's very rare for me to not be either winning or losing the trade within the first candle, within that, like that 15-minute candle, which I'd rather. I don't want to be stuck in drawdown for like 10 years. Just okay. Yeah, I guess so. Perfect for Latinas, you reckon? Yeah, maybe. Hey, you guys, after this stream, we're going to hear Ty's trading story. This kid here has made thousands and thousands of dollars at the age of 19. I'm calling it right now. He's the most profitable 19-year-old trader in New Zealand. So we're going to hear how he's done it and what he had to overcome to get to that point. I'm going to be posting it about 15 minutes after this stream ends. My mate has seen my progress since I joined. He wants to join the mentorship. Look out for Mike Oxmall. Bro, I'm going to have to mute the chat or something at this point. I'm going to have to mute the chat, bro, because I can't just keep reading like this. Do a New York stream today? Oh, fuck, man. I don't know if I can. Honestly, I keep saying this, but things are taking way longer than I expected. But after this week, I'm going to be finally completely set up in my house. And I'll be able to get back to way more consistent New York streams. Mike Ox. I gotta remember, if I ever see something like Mike, don't keep reading. Hey, look, the guys in the mentorship actually took a very similar trade to what we just took this morning, structurally. The difference with this is we actually had a breakout here, right? We had a level, candle broke out, then held support. This is more like a traditional, like, probably, yeah, do a more obvious setup where you got a nice retest as well. Good spot for the entry, but very similar kind of setup we teach here. After you join the waitlist, you'll hear from us, and we're gonna reach out individually. Yeah. So just hang tight if you can for a minute. Can you use your mic AirPods again, bro? For real? The only time I'll ever use the mic AirPods again for my AirPods for a mic again is if I'm asking you to redeem. Chat 2, Dan, winning 1. Yeah. That's so annoying. How do you decide on what lot size to trade on a specific trade, bro? Grant, this is good, but I was wondering if we might just show him. Nah, that's actually pretty good. I'm just wondering if we should do a different one of me then. That's all. That actually, yeah, that could work pretty. I could always have it like this. And I think the number's actually higher than this now. We can exaggerate it. Look at this. Rome in the mentorship here. First trade on Traderfy. All you guys are using Traderfy. Man, I've got to get onto Traderfy today. I didn't know they use Project X. Hey, you guys, you want to look at some mentorship wins? This was posted today. Payout request, 5K. This was posted today, 7K. 1K. All right, man, I'm going to hang out, see how this candle develops. If it gives me something I might be interested in. If this were to come down and do something like this, I might be interested in buying back up. I'm a buy back up. Yeah, new podcast coming out. I'm gonna release it about 30 minutes after this stream ends. It's with young Ty, and he's 19 and fucking doing crazy numbers in this trading shit. So we're gonna find out how he's doing it, how he managed to do it. Where can we see the full stream? I'm live on YouTube right now. If you type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, you'll see I'm live and you can see the full screen. Yep, you'll see my name, like you'll see a red ring around my shits. And bro, what is penny trading? I'm gonna skits out. Penny trading. You mean like penny stocks? Yeah, I'm going to post a podcast tonight. Yep. 19 making yearly wage legit, man. Buy Bitcoin, bro. Buy Bitcoin, bro. Let's have a look if we want to buy Bitcoin, bro. No, I don't want to buy Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin's going 0. Red ring of death. Whoever had the Xbox red ring of death. Man, this is how old I am. We used to go like, we knew a guy that used to burn games. Like you would get a guy that could burn the games for you on the CDs, and you could get the games like really cheap. Yeah, the red ring, man. What's your plan? I just called it out. If this can reject back up, leave a week, I might be interested in an impulse buy. Yeah, the chip. I used to have my old Xbox One, like the actual first ever Xbox, fully chipped and modded. I had Mario on it, had Sonic, all the old school games. You could do this thing if you're playing with your mates. You could press all like the back triggers and shit at the same time. It would turn it would restart the Xbox, so you could rage quit and just turn the Xbox off. Oh, your dad was the guy that burned the game? Yeah, it was always someone's dad that fucking was onto it. Have you ever tested your win rate? I mean, kind of, but I don't care about tracking it. I try to keep anything emotional to a minimal in trading. I don't want to track my win rate, because what happens when I take a loss? Oh, damn, I guess my win rate goes down a little bit today. Oh, that sucks. So like, it's always like, I try and be, you know, this is one of Raj's kind of super strengths. Like, you know, you might see Raja and seem like being a bit of a silly goose and not really thinking like he cares about losing or winning a trade, but that's actually a superpower in trading, right? And I think I'm a bit like that as well. I'm a bit of a retard. So it's like, you kind of have to be, you don't have to be, but it's a benefit in trading to not really like try and think about it too much, or, oh, this, damn, my win rate and fucking, nah, just take the trade. That's all. Just know you set up and just take it. Yes, I do remember Worms. That was a fire game. I used to love that game. I played it not even that long ago. I submitted for the waitlist in a circle, bro. What's next step? Ah, nice. Next step is just chill out. We're going to reach out to you, my G. 100%. We're definitely going to be reaching out to you, or you'll be getting emails. Top step or top one? I'd say top step. Still got a chip PS1. Wow. Bro, that's like probably going to be worth a lot of money soon. Yeah, that's a superpower, Liz, to be able to forget the loss. In the Beninging. I can't logically explain why I should or shouldn't take a trade, but I know instinctually, no, that's a bad way to go, Mia. That's a really bad way to go. You should know when to take a trade or when not to based on what your system tells you. I just follow the system. I don't even do anything. You know, the good news is, okay, today was a bit of an instinct play, but still I was basing off the structure. So my structure tells me what to do, and I'm just like the driver. I'm in the back seat. Where are we going? You know what I mean? Like, I just follow what the fucking plan tells me to do. Whenever I get involved and try and take the steering wheel, I lose. Meaning, trying to predict what's going to happen next. Bro, you know, I could see the market here and be like, oh man, it's rejecting. If I take a buy here, I could ride it back up. Maybe this needs a top wick. And start to try and predict and shit. Bad way to go. Never works out. So now I just know, I just got to follow the system, man. I have a proven system, and if I follow it, I win more than I lose. That's all. I win more than I lose. OG Game Boy, bro. Do you remember playing? I used to play Pokemon Silver or Pokemon Yellow. I think it was Pokemon Yellow, and it was just the greatest game of all time back then, bro. It was just so entertaining, catching new fucking things and going across this world. And Fuck off, Lucy. You nearly got me, you bastard. Can we see the price? Yeah, you have to come over to YouTube. I'm live on YouTube right now. You type Daniel Holmes Trades, same name as my TikTok name, into YouTube, and you'll see I'm live there right now, and you can see the price points and shit. In an hour? I'm sorry. How do you start managing your money when scaling? I mean, you mean I trade prop firms, so it depends what you mean. My advice for you, Trent, would be just welcome in, my friend. Congratulations, you got a very interesting journey ahead of you, and don't have any crazy expectations, and just chip away, my dude. Hopefully you got a good system that you're trading, and welcome to the world of trading, my brother. You got many tiers ahead of you. You know, it's just so wild to like fast forward to right now where I am. I'm living in Dubai in this zesty apartment that I made. And it seems like not even that long ago, I was crying and like smashing my hands down on my desk, like, you're freaking so stupid at this trading thing. And, you know, really having crazy expectations. Or even before that, like I specifically remember just driving and listening to music and just imagining like living this kind of life. Not having to go to the job in the morning and having the financial freedom and having a community of like-minded individuals. Then you just open your eyes like, oh, wow. I guess it came true. I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. Weird. The one who hid away his pain with the collection. And you know, I'm old. Like people don't ever think that you can't like, visualize some grand future for yourself. And think, oh man, it's too late for me. Nah, bro. Like if you can still like really tap into that shit. Because you know, when you're younger, you can kind of tap into the sort, like you can kind of tap into visualization and shit. When you get older, it can seem a bit harder because there's so much shit going on in life. It doesn't go away, bro. Like you can still do it. You just have to really try. You have to be delusional about your life. Yeah, you do. You have to be a bit delusional. Yeah, like the stream, you guys, especially if you caught that trade, you have to like it extrally. With your eyes closed. Fuck. Congrats on the 10K day. Thank you, brother or sister. Appreciate it. Yeah, I've had corporate jobs, man. I've been through the pits of hell. I've done it all as well. I had 2 back operations, worst pain if you could ever imagine, for months and months and months. And I had to get a corporate job to try and just pay the bills. Maybe we need to meet in Dubai. Who knows? Mentor life. Yep, meet in the alleyway. Big Luke, what up? How was Dubai Expo? Fuck, that reminds me. There's another expo coming up. Oh, I'm speaking at an expo very soon. Actually, that reminds me. All right, so we've got a closure here. No bottom wick. Pretty ugly stuff. Wow, strong closure on the 30. That was an hour closure as well. Trendline people are all watching this trendline thing here. All right. I'm going to call it here, you guys. W trade there. Appreciate you guys jumping on. Nice sell there. If anyone's still holding sell, like they're held in partials, that's awesome. Have a great rest of the day. And I'll see you on London tomorrow. Thank you for showing up for the stream. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And I'm posting a video podcast literally in half an hour on this channel as well. So keep an eye out for that. Thanks, gang. Love you. Love you.